Hi, I'm here to show you how to make an appointment in Special Collections so that you can come in and use the materials if you need to do that in person. So the first step would be to review one of our other videos either on finding aids or on using the catalog to identify materials that you would like to see. And then once you have something in mind that you would like to see, you can come here to our Special Collections website. This is library.missouri.edu/special collections, and come right here under schedule a research appointment right here. I'm going to click on that. You'll notice that for the fall semester, because of COVID, our research appointments are a little more restricted than they usually are. So you can see that we are open by appointment only to MU affiliated faculty, staff, and students, and that you should try to work from scans whenever possible. So if you're interested in requesting scans, you click this button here. It pops up on your screen, and there's a copyright warning that we have to give you, and then you can begin requesting the materials that you want to request. But if for some reason you're not able to work from scans, you can make an appointment in person. So if you scroll down a little bit here, you'll see there's two different kinds of appointments. There's a reading room appointment, which is for rare materials in our Special Collections reading room. And there's a microfilm room reservation, which is on the same floor as the Special Collections reading room and is also available by appointment. So you just choose whichever one you're interested in using here. I'm going to show you how the reading room appointment works. So this box will open up. It does require you to make an appointment at least a week in advance. And then you would choose your date. So let's say here, Tuesday. We've got 2 appointment slots per day, 8:30 and 1:30. That doesn't mean that you have to be there at 8:30 on the dot or 1:30 on the dot. It just means that you're booking the time for that morning. So if you're planning to come in at a time other than 8:30, you can tell us that. So your full name here, your email, again, as I mentioned, you don't have to be there right on the dot. What time do you expect to arrive? And then what materials would you like to work with? So if you're working from a finding aid, you would put in your collection name and your box number here. If you have call numbers, you can put those there as well. And then the system will take you through confirmation and will send you a reminder through your email, and you can contact us if you have any questions.